Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TECNO Spark 20 Pro Plus, and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's begin with making sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and then let's open the settings. Here we need to scroll and find the system and go to backup to Google Drive. So we will be automatically transferred to the section where we can sign in or create a Google account. Basically, if you've got your Google account added to the device, you will be just able to choose it from the list. If not, we need to add it right now. So just tap on Next and tap on Add Account. Again, just a friendly reminder, remember about the internet connection. And here we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it and tap on Next. So in this section, we need to enter the password. So simply do it and tap on Next. Here we need to decide who will be using this device, so just mark the proper option and tap on Next. Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, you can tap on them to learn more and tap on I agree after reading. And here we can decide what kind of data we'd like to backup, so photos and videos or other device data or both. It's completely up to you. I'll choose only this option and tap on Confirm. So now you can tap on this section here because we just successfully added our Google account to this device and marked it as our backup account. And here we can check some further details. So for example, how much space we've got left. We can manage the storage. So for example, remove some unnecessary files, which is right here, clean up space. Here we've got backup details, so we can check what has already been backed up, and advanced settings, and I highly recommend to keep this option turned off. So to finish everything, all you need to do is to simply tap on backup now, and now your device is backing up the data. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.